Welcome back, guys. In today's video I'll be talking about a very easy way to make money with your mobile phone without having any capital. All you need is an internet connection and the right info. For those that are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell. So if you have been looking for ways to make free money on the internet, then I'm sure you must have heard of airdrops, especially those that are familiar with the cryptocurrencies. And for those who do not know what airdrops means, I'll be explaining everything you need to know about airdrops.
What are airdrops and bounties? Many crypto companies distribute free coins to their communities to increase their project visibility, increase the circulating supply, and stimulate trade. These free distributions are commonly known as airdrops. Most of the airdrops that we present are bounty drops, which will reward you with tokens for completing simple social media tasks like joining their Telegram group, reposting on Twitter, etc. This offering creates a win-win scenario because the company gets free marketing and you will get free crypto. Other airdrops will reward you for simply holding a specific coin without expectation of any reciprocal consideration. Why are crypto projects and ICO giving away coins for free? Cryptocurrencies only hold value because people believe in them and recognize their worth. The more people who own a cryptocurrency, the more likely it is to become widely adopted and rise in value. Airdrops are effective due to the endowment effect, a phenomenon in which people will ascribe value to things merely because they own them. How do I claim airdrops? The claim process differs from project to project. Some older drops will drop tokens automatically into the wallets of users who own a specific coin. Other projects are snapshots based and can only be claimed by users who held the required token during the snapshots, which is a record of token holders taken at a specific time or block. Examples and categories of airdrops include older airdrops. An example of a older airdrop is Byteball, which was initially distributed to Bitcoin holders. They also airdropped a monthly amount of bytes into the wallet of Byteball holders, proportional to the amount of bytes (GB) that they held during the drop. These types of drops can create excitement, which often results in significant price action for that particular coin. Popular older airdrops. The following cryptocurrencies were initially distributed for free: Byteball, Stellar Remains, ARDR, NEM. Another category of airdrop is social media airdrop and bounties. For these airdrops are for taking part in bounty airdrops. You will likely need an active account on social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. You should also have a bitcointalk.org account, as some drugs require participants to post proof of ownership in the forum threads. Most bounty drops will require you to join a Telegram group and share posts on Facebook and Twitter. After completing the steps to reserve rewards, you will often need to fill out a form with your username and wallet address. The next category of airdrop is called retroactive airdrops. Uniswap introduced a new unique concept of airdrop by retroactively distributing their new governance token UNI to early Uniswap users that interacted with the protocol through trading or liquidity provision. Every wallet that interacted with the protocol before the snapshot is able to claim at least 400 UNI. Some users made millions of free money from the Uniswap airdrop. Those so-called retroactive airdrops gained traction and several DeFi protocols soon followed. Popular retroactive DeFi airdrops. The following list shows an excerpt of DeFi protocols that distributed their governance tokens to early users. 1. The YDX, Uniswap, Instadap, Forok. And the last category of airdrop is known as NFT airdrops. So-called non-fungible token (NFC) are unique and non-interchangeable tokens stored on a digital ledger that can be used to represent real or virtual assets like artwork, photos, or other types of digital files. Tokenized artworks became extremely popular in 2021, and some NFTs gained a lot of value. We also see a rise of projects and artists that decided to drop their newly minted NFTs for free to increase awareness by incentivizing new users. Some common airdrops include Uniswap airdrops. Those that interacted with Uniswap were rewarded with 400 unit tokens, and the price of Uniswap as at now is about $7. Multiplied by 400, that is $2,800 for free. Next, we have Block. Blur is an NFT marketplace for pro traders. Blur lets users sweep and list across marketplaces, and those that interacted with Blur marketplace were given about 500 Blur tokens for free, and the price of Blur is around $1. That's $500 free. Also, we have Aptos. Aptos is a layer 1 blockchain, and those that interacted with Aptos testnets were given about 100 Aptos or more for free, and the price of Aptos today is about $13, and that's like $1,300 also for free. So where can you find these airdrops? All you have to do is go to airdrops.io on your phone browser, and then you can scroll and see different types of airdrops that are available. Pick any one of them that hasn't expired, and you can perform these simple tasks. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Some might be worth few dollars, some hundred. You might even get lucky and win $1,000 from these airdrops. It's always worth a try. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification icon. Have a nice day, guys.